How to log in to Verve credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Verve credit card online. The Verve MasterCard or the credit card is issued by the Bank of Missouri, but it is serviced and managed by Continental Finance. As it is managed by Continental Finance, you will need to go to the official website of Continental Finance, or you may also go to the official website of Verve Credit Card. For that, you will need to open any web browser of your choice on your device, and in the search bar here type in vervecreditcardinfo.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press on the enter button of your keyboard to search for it. Now, within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Verve Credit Card managed by Continental Finance. In this page, you'll be able to locate the login button at the top right. Once you find it, simply click on it. And then now you will be taken to the official website of Continental Finance. Here you will be able to see this login interface. Now you will need to use your login credentials in order to access your account. Click on this username text box and there enter your username. Once after entering your username, now enter your password. Click on the password text box and there enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password in this field. After entering the password, you may also click on this I button at the right side in order to reveal and check if you have entered it correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password or user ID, you may also scroll down a bit and then there at the bottom you'll be able to locate this forgot username, forgot password link. You will need to use these links in order to reset your login credentials. Simply click on one of these options based on your issue and then you will need to follow the instructions given to you. Also, if you are new to this account, you will need to register your card first. For that, you will need to click on Don't Have an Account Sign Up link at the bottom. Now, after entering all the credentials correctly, go ahead and click on this login button right here. And then you will be able to log in to your Verve credit card. Once you are logged into your account, you can now view the statements, make the payments, check the due dates, and manage your card online. So this is how you can log into your Verve credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.